Hello everyone, today we have a 2004 Mercedes S500 that we want to change the serpentine belt. So you need a socket extension and a number 17. First of all, before you take anything, look at the belt, how everything goes. See if you can take a picture or something, or you can post this video if yours match, and then you have the diagram. If not, make sure you get the diagram or take a good picture of this so you know all the turns and twists when it's time to put it back. So if you can see over there, this is our tensioner right there. Do not try to lose it from here. That is not how you do it. It's a bolt underneath it right here. It's a number 17. I'll show you right now. It's right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this number 17 in it. Okay, so once you have it in place, you won't, right now it's kind of, if you can see, I didn't took nothing out. You can disconnect this radiator hose for more space, but if not, it won't bother you. So what you do is, when you have it in place, you push it down and you'll see how it's gonna release tension. So if you can see right there, if I let it go, it put tension. If I push it down, you'll get it loose. Okay, so see, I'm gonna push it down right now. See how loose it looks. All right, so once you have it loose, keep your hand in there, and then with the other hand you can take it off. It also say 04W15 BE 109 1010 and 111. So this is the old belt. This is actually just a demonstration on how to do it. So now I'm gonna show you how to put it back. Okay, step one, you gotta go around the compressor and the power steering pump from the outside, like that. See, with the little grooves, gotta go with the grooves. The flat part gotta go on the outside. You got the top and the bottom. You always keep these lines with the lines. So next step, you fasten it on the top, that, and on the one in the bottom. Line them up correctly with the grooves. See, make sure it's not like this. Make sure it's perfectly where it's supposed to go, like that. Okay, right, you want to see the end over here and the end over here. The belt needs to be right in the center, lined up with the grooves. You pass it through it like that to the bottom. So you gotta go from the power steering. Okay, you follow on the top, goes to the idle pulley, keep going on the top to the alternator, or some people call it generator. Loop on that and then come back up. You go into the coolant pump and they keep coming. See if you can see the coolant pump is flat, so the flat part needs to go in there. The tensioner is the one you gotta leave towards the end. That's the last one you gotta do right there. So you don't go over that, you stay off for right now and go to this one right here. Yeah, that one, which is the crankshaft. Is the biggest one from all of them, the biggest circle. and then keep following it to the last one, which is the AC compressor right there. That will be the last one. Once you have that ready, you get this close. Make sure all the lines lined up correctly. Then you get your 17mm socket. You place it on, and you basically do exactly the same thing as what you did before. So you push it down completely, and then with your hand you slide the belt over. Once you do that, double check yourself, make sure everything is in place. Like if you can see over here in that area, it's on top, it's not lined up correctly like it's supposed to, like this one over here. So what you do is you push it again, push it down again, and readjust whatever you have to readjust. So the last step will be double checking everything, that everything lined up correctly where it's supposed to be, all the grooves with grooves, flop parts with flop parts, and go around, make sure before you turn the car on that everything is in place and the way it's supposed to. So that's it. Thank you for watching.